When trying to interpret an Act of Parliament using the rules of statutory interpretation, you can and should in fact start out by looking at the Act itself. Now here we're looking at the Bribery Act from 2010, and we can see that we've got the short title and the long title. Now both of these can be used to help guide lawyers or lay people for that matter to understand what the Act might be about. You can then take it further and go to the table of contents, and you can see here we've got a listing of the different sections. So I'll start out at the obvious place with the initial offence, click on that, and it now gives me the exact section, and that we've got the section title or heading here. Again, this is another guide you can use from the Act itself to interpret the content below. Now if you're finding that this is still rather vague, or perhaps it's tying itself off in knots, you can go on to the explanatory notes. Now here we've got the section with the notes in, and if I go on to that one, you can see we now have a line-by-line explanation as to what the various phrases may mean, or in fact are intended to mean according to Parliament. Now if we go back to the table of contents, we may find that in the actual sections themselves it will mention schedules, and in the schedules say there are more details. Most modern acts do in fact have a schedule, or many schedules, as you can see here, that give you extra detail, and again those can be explored to give more background to the actual sections themselves.